What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV, and I am just showing off these Mini 11 cases. Over here on the left, I've got a Minimalist case. This thing is lightweight as possible and focused on lens protection. Got to keep that camera alive. And then over here, I got a full rugged case. These are both on universal GoPro loops. Nice and beefy loops to keep everything adjustable and flexible. But if you would like something a little more permanent, I like fixed angle mounts for my quads, and I can put these on any quads. I'm already putting them on Apexes and Marmots and Source 1s and Mark 5s and man, the bot grinder frame, anything that you need, I can make it happen. Any angle you want, any style you want. Right now I got rugged and minimalist, and I've got bot grinder cases too. And the skulls will probably be another week or so before I get them developed. Reach out though, flyhighfpv.com. I can make anything you want, any frame you want, any angle you want, any camera you want. You get the idea. Everything here is custom. flyhighfpv.com.